Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of the beginner crochet series. I have my starting 25 chain from the last video that we did. If you didn't see that one, we got our chain started and our slip knot. Those links will be in the description for you to check out and click on if you want to go back and reference those. Now I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet. So I've got our chain 25. This will be about the size for like a dishcloth. So if you want to say you're going to do a dishcloth, it tells you to chain 25 as your first step of the pattern. Now when it says row 1, this chain is not row 1. This chain is just your starting chain. This doesn't count as a row. This is just that starting one. Now your first row is going to be what we're doing next. So I have 25 chains. I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet. When you're doing single crochet, when you're starting back, you skip this first stitch here. You're going to skip this first chain stitch. So we've got the one on our loop, then this first one we're going to skip. We're going to go to the second one. For a single crochet, you're going to put inside the top loop. You're going to yarn over, pull through that loop on the chain, then you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through. You've got 2 on there, you're going to pull through both of those loops. That's your first single crochet. And you're going to go to your next chain right here, do the same thing. You're going to put your hook inside the chain, you're going to yarn over, pull through that chain loop, then you're going to yarn over again. You have those 2 loops from before, and you're going to pull through those 2 loops. Okay, same thing. You're going to put it inside that chain, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, again yarn over, pull through both loops. Now we've got 3. 1, 2, 3. And when you're crocheting, you can see those V's on top. There's 1, 2, and there's the third one. So then we're going to go into our next stitch, put inside that chain, yarn over, pull through both loops. And this is a single crochet. Put in the chain, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, put it in that chain. You're going to yarn over the working yarn, pull through that chain loop, gives us 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Sometimes you run into knots, just got to unravel them and keep going. Again, put it in that loop, yarn over, pull through, and it will curl up, but when you start doing more chains, it won't. The more you do it, it won't curl up quite as much. Yarn over, pull through, and that next loop, yarn over, pull through, and you keep going all the way to the end. So we chain 25, then we skip that first loop, the first chain, and single crochet in the second one. So that means we're going to have 24 stitches. Once you are done, it's not the example I finished here isn't quite as big as this one, but a single crochet, I believe I did 12 stitches on this. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 across. This is 16 with a single crochet right here. This one is 16 stitches with a half double crochet, which I'll be going into next. This last one is 16 stitches with a double crochet. And as you can see, you kind of see the rows inside there. For a half double crochet, of course, because they're longer stitches, it takes less rows than it would for my single crocheting stitch. This one I believe took 12. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12, I believe that was 12 single crochet stitches, 5 double crochets. And then half double crochet, I believe there's 7 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So there's what single crochet looks like when that'll be all finished up. Here is the half double crochet and the double crochet.